After having extended help to the All Meghalaya Asha Union on the 24th of May 2021, members of the Ryntathiang Foundation of the Darbarkur Ryntathiang had visited the villages of NONGTREI, NONGTREI, MAIRANG and KYNHUN under MAIRANG subdivision on the 26th of May to donate PPE suits, N95 and surgical masks and gloves to Asha workers of the Ryntathiang placed in public and community health and sub-centers in the area. The group was led by the managing director of the trust, BANTEI Ryntathiang, who was accompanied by the treasurer of the foundation, Priscilla Ryntathiang, executive member Richard Ryntathiang, and representative of the Sengsamlakur, Wankit Ryntathiang. Speaking during the visit, the managing director of the Ryntathiang Foundation, Banteei Ryntathiang, expressed his gratitude to all the health workers, particularly the Asha staff, who despite the current situation had been working tirelessly and selflessly to take care of residents with health issues and especially those who have been tested positive for the virus. The managing director also stated that he was hopeful that in the days and months to come, the foundation would be able to extend their help to other Asha workers who do not belong to the Ryntathiang clan.
Nakaliang JONG ka Ryntathiang Foundation, niwanra ya kajing kubli kerpang ya baro NONGTREI JONG ka kot kakya kibadan ka banta kajing kli BANTEI banyarap akabakum ka kapor JONG kajing ele persya ban pendena ya ne ban pendo ya ne penyakit pang covid arja kat kendai kabang tiap. Ryntathiang Foundation nilala ya kaban ya lenti da kajing kersan jong kadar barkur Ryntathiang hi parakawai ban ngisngumo isisai ka kadar barkur Ryntathiang kajongi limba kajing alam limba kajing betul lenti kajong presiden rong ba jong kadar barkur kajongi obe alam ingi pada bapen lenti ingi kumno bangin perkhat laning mudder laning connecti tangila kajong parakur de bangin phairu ski imlang salang bat kane kajing mut kala pela ingi kum ka Ryntathiang Foundation ka baging yo ha ka dekas arpsotrik mentau benai bagi yo bansam ya kajing no sniang kajing watla kalong kabaret sa ka All Meghalaya Asha Union bat kane nilaya kran bat ki kalong bakin penpoi sa kita ki Asha ki badan kame mangis ngutho bangin mla banyarap ya baro ki Asha ki badan Meghalaya kajing namar ki dan haduk ka 1000 tam ki Asha teka bojing nama kalong sal lendat ka bor jong ka jingla ka jongi kum ka kor nang ngotho ba ka kor ka jongi kamde ka kor ka ba bit ka am rek ide ka kor badan kam sem BANTEI banyarap ya ka badan kam nama kata hadin bang ayo banyarap ya ka All Meghalaya Asha Union iwan manta kasngi bat ngilet kelang ki jaka manta kasngi ya ka bangan samro ya kini ki PPE ki gloves ki mask bat kui de ki jendan kam nak mta ki Asha ki badai na kaparakur ki parajat ki jongi bansami ki bakin long ki balapun kre nak unta ka jong trei ka jong ki